Here's a 2016 Chevrolet Malibu. Smart and alluring, it'll impress you with its safety measures, fuel efficiency, and overall performance. It comes with the features you need, and better yet, want. Streaming audio, power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, auto dimming rear view mirror, doors and push button start proximity key, front heated bucket seats, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, active grille shutters, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. There's more than a century of ingenuity and significance in every Chevy. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.